making the video for you. Okay, I will share with your moms so you can practice with this video. Okay, so the first letter is alif. Okay, then the second letter is ba, the third letter is ta. Yeah, ba has one dot in the bottom. Okay, and ta has two dots on the top. Got it? Ta has how many dots? Two dots on top. And here is another letter, sa. What is it? Sa. Sa. Yeah, during reading this letter, you can touch your tongue to the your upper front teeth. Okay, upper front teeth side. Upper front teeth side. You will touch your tongue. So sa will exit. Okay. Yeah, this is sa. Sa. Yeah, next one with dot in the tummy of this letter. The name of this letter, Jim. Yeah, good, mashallah. This one in black color, Ha. Ha. Yeah, it will exit from the mid of throat. Okay, mid of throat. And this one, Kha. Kha. And next one, as I told you many times, Dal. It's Dal. Zal not. This is with dot on top. This is Zal. And this one without dot, the sister of Zal. This is the Dal. Dal. Da. Like in English we are saying the. The. Okay. The car. Like da. Okay. Dal. Dal. Zal not dal. Dal like a D. Dal. Yeah. Zal. Ra. Okay. Ra. These are the letters. Yesterday we read these letters. Okay. The two lines. Okay. Got it? It's very easy. Simple.